Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Jong Kejelna uba Preston Tensong uba Pedro ia katanat Parliamentary Affairs haka pratri gubnai no pra arajar arpuai ula ong bakikat arngut ki MLA ka seng Congress ki balalej ban penyaso yaladi bat ka seng Trinamool Congress kin ngat haka shrip ban sya mait kerteng. Uba Preston ula ong balada bishar banya akat kum ki kendon jong ke 10th schedule jong keriti sensyar keri India kini ki khat arngut ki MLA kin ngat satya ha ke jingsha mat kerteng hanrei wala kataru ula ong bayamenta kani ka kam kadang don ha po ka office jong lampang ka yeng dor bar thawan ka song ha ka jing start jong lampang kum no ban shim ye ka rai halor kani ka kam.
If you go as per the 10th schedule, in fact, they are not subjected to disqualification. However, now the ball is lying in the court of the Honorable Speaker. So, because this is the question of interpretation of the 10th schedule. So therefore, we leave it to the wisdom of the Honorable Speaker. What is the ruling to be given by him? I think he has already issued show cause. So due process maybe is still on. So let us wait and see when is the ruling coming out from the Honorable Speaker's office. See, by convention, I think you must have seen it, the ruling of the Speaker is final. If they want to challenge, they can go to court. There is no question about it. The court is always open. But when is the court going to decide? That only God knows. Because as I said to you, this is the constitutional power, constitutional right of the Speaker to examine and also ultimately to give his ruling. Either way, new party in the state of Manila, if you go by history, it takes a lot of time for them to convince the people of the state, particularly in Meghalaya, to really make people understand about the ideology, the philosophy, the objective of the new party. That it will take a lot of time.